How's it going, YouTube? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video we've got another Wi-Fi PineApple pager payload review. Okay, so this one is also created by moi. It's called the Favorites Manager. So let's go show you what Favorites Manager does. So we're going to go into Payloads, and actually you can see I have this file up here called 1-favorites. All right, and you can manage what is in this folder without doing it in command line or without moving things around difficultly. You can do it very easily here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and show you how it works. So I'm going to go in here and we're going to look for my favorites manager right there. That's the payload, and we're going to run it. And it says favorite manager adds and removes and updates your favorites. Any payload that you really like and use all the time, because there's hundreds of payloads at this point for this device, and it's kind of annoying to scroll through all the menus. So this kind of puts your favorites in one spot. All right, that's the idea of it. So you can see right here, up here on the device, you have 4 options. You can add a payload to your favorites. You can remove a payload from your favorites. You can update your favorites, which will update your favorite payloads based on anything that's in your rest of your payload structure. So if you update them from GitHub automatically, because there's other payloads for doing that, you can do that, and then you can exit. Okay, so let's just add one. So we're gonna hit the green button so that you're ready to do that, and then I'm gonna say add, which it's already entered as 1. You could hit edit, but we don't need to. So we're gonna say add. So then what's gonna happen here is it's gonna list folder directories. And we want to add something from general right there. See, generals is option 6. So we're going to hit enter. All right, and then you're going to add something from option 6. Okay, and then you're going to say, okay, great, let's do option 6. And then here is all the payloads that are in option 6 or in general. As you can see, there's a ton, and it's like I said, if you don't have Favorites Manager, you'd be scrolling this a long time. Okay, so this says, this one's interesting. So full pull PR upload, interesting one. Let's see if we can scroll up and look and see what else we have in here that might be a good one to push over to our favorites. Let's do ARP. So that's 36. Okay, so if we come back down here, oh, I gotta go to this menu. Sorry, and we do 36. You should see this should be able to put that into our favorites. Okay, 36. Yep. And there you go. It added it and copied over ARPs into our favorites folder. So pretty sweet, pretty easy, right? Obviously the remove has the same functionality, and then the update will update everything from the main directories all the way into our favorites folder. So really easy to utilize. So when we're done here, we're going to go ahead and do option 4, and that should go ahead and just close out the payload. Now, and you're going to see this can be a little bit tedious, but if you're wanting to do this all on the device, this menu structure will work just perfectly for you. So we're going to say close. We're going to come in here, go in here, and then there you go, ARP table. There you go. That's the payload we just added to our favorites manager, or the folder called 1-favorites. Okay, and like I said, if you go through here, you can go into all these other folder structures, but there's a ton of payloads in there, and this kind of manages all that for you in one location. So I really like it. But there you go, guys. That is Favorites Manager. Very nice payload, and very easy to utilize. So I'm very much enjoying it. But if you guys want it, go check it out at GitHub, at Hak5's GitHub repository for the payloads for the Wi-Fi PineApple pager. That's all for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.